How to use secret chat in Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can use secret chat in Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Telegram in your device. After that, make sure to log in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to open up or navigate to the conversation or the account that you would like to start the secret chat in. So open up the conversation. After you open it up, you have to get to their profile. So tap on their profile name at the top left corner. Once you get to their profile, now again tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. A drop down box will pop up with bunch of menus, and on the box you'll find an option as Start Secret Chat. Tap on it. And then again tap on Start. Now the invitation has been sent to this contact. Once this contact accepts your invitation, you will be able to start and use the secret chat in Telegram. So that's how you use secret chat in Telegram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.